Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And the first thing I want to mention is yes, I am very overdressed for today's video, but I'm filming this on the first day of the Lunar New Year, the year of the tiger. So I figured I would wear this dress because I just bought it recently. It was part of this Lunar New Year collection and I absolutely love it, clearly because I can't stop talking about it, and I will link it in the description box down below if you're interested. I believe this red one is now completely sold out, but I will link the white one, which is also really pretty. But yeah, anyways, happy Lunar New Year to those of you guys who celebrate it. And for today's video, it will be a Chanel unboxing. I'll be unboxing two items that I got from their 22P collection. There's something in this small box right here, as well as what's in this bigger box right here, which is actually an item that I am checking off of my wish list. So yeah, very excited for these two items. And the two colors of these two items, they are kind of similar to some other colors that have been released in the past. So since I have those other colors, I will be doing kind of like a comparison for you guys as I unbox them. And yeah, I will do kind of like cutaways to close-ups of the colors also. So I think that will show it better than on camera right now because I think it's going to be a little bit washed out. So anyways, first up is this smaller box. So yeah, this was something that I hadn't anticipated on getting, unlike the one that is on my wish list. This was something that, as you guys might know, I really love the color blue. It's probably my favorite color. So yeah, when I saw this, I was like, okay, I want to add this to my collection. So since it is in a small box, it is an SLG. And it is this little blue card holder in the 22P light blue color. So this color, I would say, is kind of like a dusty grayish blue color. It's, what collection was that? There was this other card holder that I had previously purchased for a giveaway here on my channel that was, I believe it was the 20B collection. There was this light blue in that collection that is very similar to this. Unfortunately, of course, I can't show you guys a comparison between the two colors. That one is also kind of like a dusty blue color, but I would say that, well, I would say that that color is a mix between this one and the other color I'm going to be showing you guys in a little bit. So yeah, this is the flat card holder in the light blue color, and it's in caviar. I don't know why, but recently I've actually grown to really like caviar. It's kind of like a roller coaster with me and anything in caviar. I didn't used to like it, but then it kind of grew on me, and then I started to not like it again, and then now I like it once again. So yeah, this is a really pretty blue color. I almost basically like all blue colors. But anyways, so I'm going to compare this to the 21K light blue that I have in the reissue style. So as you can see right here, you can already tell that this is like a lighter blue, and then this is a little bit darker, has more of that gray tone to it. This one in the reissue style also leans, I would say, like a little bit more warm tone. There is kind of like maybe a slight hint of yellow or green to it, and this one is definitely kind of like a duller, I don't want to say duller, but yeah, it is kind of like a little bit of a gray tone blue. They are quite similar. I don't think that you need this 22P blue if you already have the 21K blue. So yeah, this is the first item that I purchased from this 22P collection. And then moving on to the bigger box, which is the more exciting one, of course. So yeah, as I mentioned, this was an item that was on my wish list. It is a bag that I had purchased something in this style last year, but then I ended up returning it, and then I decided to put this exact bag in this exact color on my wish list this year. because yeah, I wanted something in this style, and I thought that this color would be so pretty. So I'm so happy that I managed to get it, because I think it's sold out now, at least in the US. I don't know about in other countries, but yeah, I think it's sold out in the US now. And yeah, it's, I think, one of like the most popular colors of this collection. So I did not know if I would be able to get my hands on this, because I think with Chanel now, there are so many restrictions, and you know, the way you even reserve stuff is all different now. So I think you can't reserve the same item at multiple stores. I know like sometimes every store is a little bit different, but I believe generally you can't reserve the same item at multiple stores. So I really didn't know if I would be high enough on the list to be able to get my hands on this, but my sales associate actually texted me prior to the collection coming out, and she says, "Oh, you're guaranteed this bag." And I was like, yes, thank goodness. So anyways, it's covered in all this tissue paper and felt, but you can kind of see it already, right? It is a light color. So this is the light pink mini with handle, and this color is so pretty. It's probably the prettiest light pink color ever. I want to say that nothing can beat this color. And yeah, I do have something from a past collection that is kind of like a light pink color too, and in comparison to that, I like this one so much more. So yeah, this is the light pink mini with handle, and the one that I want to compare it to is from, I'm losing track of all these collection names, but I believe it was the 21S collection. There was this light pink that came out in that collection. It was kind of like a lilac pink in a way, and I have it in this flat card holder in the Chanel 19 style. So next to it, this mini with handle is definitely like a true light pink color. This one, if you look at it by itself, yes, it does look like a light pink color, but when you place them side by side, there really is no comparison. This is the perfect light pink color. Yeah, I'm so in love with this bag. And the thing that I had purchased previously that was in the same style was actually the 21K blue color. And I had purchased that in this style, and I ended up returning it, and then I got that one. I would say that the style of bag is so well made between the light blue one that I got and also this light pink one. It feels so sturdy, even though it is in lambskin. It feels so sturdy, and just like the construction of it is kind of like solid enough. I know that with the mini rectangular, sometimes they're kind of like on the softer side, and it varies from season to season, bag to bag, how kind of like structured it looks. And I have purchased 2 mini rectangulars in the past that, yeah, they were kind of like softer. So I think that this is definitely a better style, in my opinion at least. And I love this little top handle on it, and it comes with this kind of like rather thin chain strap on it that you can use to carry over your shoulder or crossbody too. I will of course show mod shots. So yeah, this bag is just, it is so pretty. I'm so glad that I got my hands on this. I actually also have the same color in a card holder coming in very shortly. I had to wait till today, which is the first day of February, to purchase it because of the monthly limits. So yeah, I could show you guys a comparison between how this pink shows up on the lambskin versus the caviar if you guys are interested. I don't know how I would show it. I don't think I would do like a full-blown video on it. Maybe I'll show it on Instagram or something, but definitely let me know in the comments down below if you're interested to see sort of like a comparison. But yeah, this is such a pretty color. I think it is available in like so many different styles. There's the classic flap, there's of course this bag, there's the business affinity and the boy bag, and also some vanity cases too. So definitely I would highly recommend this color if you're interested in it. Take a look at what styles are available and see if you're able to get your hands on one of them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think of these two items that I unboxed in today's video, and also let me know if you picked up anything from this 22p collection. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And once again, happy Lunar New Year to those of you guys who celebrate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week on luxury and fashion. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.